Hello and welcome students. So today we are going to have next lesson of class 12 and the title of this lesson is Ivan Tries O Level and the author of this lesson is Colin Dacter. So let us first understand the theme of the lesson. That what is the theme of this lesson? First of all, the title is given Ivan Tries O Level. So here O is a level of exam. It's a German exam, and here what we are going to see that there in Germany there it's a kind of examination, and the people generally used to appear in that. And Ivan is the name of a person. So here firstly let us confirm about the characters. So who are the characters? Here, James Ivan, the full name of that man. Next is governor. Now, governor is not governor like in India. So, governor means here in charge in a cell. For example, we can take as a principal we do have in a schools. In the same way, governor is head of a jail. And under governor, two policemen are given here. Stephen and Jackson. These are the two policemen. So to help him. Even more policemen are there, but in this lesson only two policemen are described. Therefore, Stephen and Jackson. Another character is what? Stuart Maclean. Stuart Maclean is what? Invigilator. Invigilator, one who goes to handle the students in exam hall. So these are the main characters we can see, and apart from him some sounds are also given, and that is for board exam secretary. So these are the main characters we can see here in this lesson. So Ivan is a man and he is a prisoner in this lesson. He is a prisoner because he has a habit of stealing. What we call that thing? Habit of stealing, the English vocabulary is kleptomania. So kleptomania means a person who is in habit to steal something whenever he or she gets a chance. Kleptomania. So here Ivan is in the prison because he is a thief. He is in habit of kleptomania. Therefore, he is inside the prison. And the biggest thing about Ivan is what? He is very clever and very cunning person. And why it is called so? Because he was able to escape from the cell 3 times. Because he, how many times? He escaped 3 times. He could save himself, he could run away from the cell. Therefore, the policemen are also calling Ivan that he is very intelligent man. So how he is planning and how he is doing this whole thing, one of the trick is shown here. So 3 times already he could run away from jail, and now this is 4th time. Let us see whether he is going to succeed or fail. So this lesson is all about the tricks whatever he is playing. So one of the trick is given here. So now what happened? This is exam O level. So O level exam generally is the theme of this lesson. So now what happened? It's an exam day. Before one day of examination, see, Ivan wanted to write O level exam. Therefore he just spoke to whom? To Stephen and Jackson. Now Jackson was very new policeman. Therefore the jail authority believe the old people or old policemen, those who are experienced. So Stephen was experienced one. So therefore Ivan told Stephen everything that I want to write examination, and Stephen went and told the same to governor, and governor gave a call where in a board center to secretary. Before that Ivan was trying preparation, and now what happened? Ivan was having preparation for examination, so every day one tutor was coming to teach him, and the tutor who was coming, he was telling Ivan that pay attention in studies because you are not doing well, and Ivan told him that he will surprise everyone by his results. So in this way Ivan was trying, Ivan was working very hard for examination, and now the exam day has come. So governor called out board secretary and told him that tomorrow one of our prisoners is going to write examination, and for the safety of him or for the safety of us, because he is very cunning person, he is very intelligent, he could run away from the jail so many times, so I don't want to send him outside, rather you send one of the invigilator in the jail. And secretary also agreed that student will write the exam, and for that one invigilator will be sent to jail. Now the day has come of examination, and in the morning Stephen saw that Ivan was sitting and he was shaving. He was shaving and he was getting ready for examination. And Stephen was given a duty to sit with Ivan. So when Ivan was shaving, that time Stephen brought two chairs and he just fixed it in the same. One for the teacher, one for himself. So that nothing can be done. Even some microphones are also kept in the jail, and the sound was going to whom? To governor. That whatever they are discussing, whatever they are talking, this all can be heard by whom? By the governor of jail. And one of the policemen was sitting inside. And everything, whatever was kept in the jail or in the particular cell of Ivan, especially like scissors, blade and this whole thing. So Stephen took out everything outside, and Ivan was very angry that why are you taking my things out? And Stephen said that it is not me who is doing this, but I am following the order of governor. Governor told me just collect everything, do not leave anything there. Therefore I am doing so. So now in this way everything was settled, and now exam time was exactly 9:10 and it was already 8:30. So Ivan was ready for examination and he was excited too. And his invigilator, his name is Stuart Macleay, and Macleay left his house. So at 8:30 Macleay started for jail. Now he was coming to jail along with some of the things. He came with some of the things in his suitcase. So what are the things present in the suitcase? I have written here. Number one, sealed question paper, invigilation form, authentication card. Authentication card means generally invigilators are also given a card that this card you have to wear, so that he will be jail authority will be able to recognize you that you are the only man who is sent by a secretary. And paper and paper knife. Paper knife means a kind of knife which is used to cut paper. A Bible because they were Christian. And church time paper. Church time, it's a paper, newspaper. When Ivan is writing examination, that time he can sit and read. And semi-inflated rubber ring. Semi-inflated rubber ring also he was having. A kind of ring which is little bit inflated, means air was there inside. So these all things he gave. Now from 8:30 he left his house, and now 9:10 around he reached where? To the jail. And 9:25 was the exam starting time, and exam will end by 11:25. So now the things were okay. So now the invigilator came and he was given entry, and the cell was opened, and along with the invigilator Mr. Stephen, who is policeman, they both entered in the room. And when they entered, what policeman found that Ivan was sitting with a cap. He was using a cap, and that cap was red and white, but that was looking very shady, dirty maybe. So policeman told Ivan that remove this cap. Why are you using this? So Ivan said, this is the lucky cap. Whenever I do something, this cap helps me. And today I am writing exam. So maybe because of this cap, I can write exam very well. So policeman, because he was also a kind-hearted person, so he did not force Ivan to remove that cap. And Ivan was knowing that very well already. So now in this way the exam time has come. But when this invigilator came in the jail, that time his suitcase was checked and these things were found. So policemen did not ask anything about these all things, but they asked for one thing. This was semi-inflated rubber ring. So when policemen saw that it is a rubber ring, what is the use of this? So invigilator said actually that he has a piles problem, therefore this rubber ring will help him to sit at a place for a long time. So policemen are already convinced by those words that okay, he has a problem, so it can be used. So therefore they did not object for that. And now the exam started. And as the exam started, the invigilator who was there, McLeary, he started speaking something, and the sound was going where? The sound was going to the governor. And what things he started speaking? These are the three things he spoke. What are the things? Number one, the name of the question paper is 021-1, and index number what you have to put 313, and the center number is what? 271. So in this way, the invigilator said that mention these all things in answer sheet. Now this thing done and the exam started. And when exam started, suddenly Ivan said that I am feeling cold. And what did he say? I am feeling cold. And what time he said? 9:50. At 9:50 he said that I am feeling cold, so I need a blanket. So that was the cell where Ivan was kept. There was no sunlight, therefore it was very cold. So policeman also thought, okay, it's a general, so he might be feeling cold, therefore he is asking for a blanket. So blanket was given to Ivan and he put that blanket on his shoulder, and now it was okay. So in this way the things were going on very well. And before that, before he asked for the blanket, there was a phone call. There was a phone call from the secretary, and that phone call came for what? Phone call came for some mistakes were given in question paper. So the phone call came to whom? To the governor. And what came? And from where it has come? From the center. And from board secretary, the phone call came that in that question paper there is a problem on page number 3 in line number 15. One word is wrong. So that word's correction was done. And for that only the call came. And governor thought that might be this call fake, or might be instead of giving us the correction, they must be telling something idea to Ivan to run away. Therefore he checked that the call, he gave a call back on the same number, and that was coming engaged. Means that was one-way number. So governor was convinced that there is no problem. And after that again, after some time, the policeman was convinced. Ivan was writing examination, and McLeary, the invigilator, was sitting, and things were going on in a normal way. And after some time, what happened? The paper was now about to end, and about to end means around 3 minutes remaining. Only 3 minutes remaining, and then suddenly one more call came. One more call came. Now this time the call came in governor office, but governor was not there. Therefore, Mr. Jackson picked up the phone, and when this conversation was done, after that Jackson just informed those all things to governor, and now governor called out whom? Stephen. So for calling Stephen, actually on that phone call, nothing special was given, only about some examination that the time is this, and this all information was given. So now governor sent Jackson to Stephen, and Jackson came to Stephen and said that now governor is telling that another 3 minutes remaining for exams to get over, and now what you have to do? You have to see off invigilator till the main gate of jail. So Stephen was agreed, okay, doesn't matter. So before that, when he came outside, because he was already sitting outside, because earlier only Ivan told that he is not much comfortable in front of Stephen, so let him not be there because I am sitting inside and it is locked. So Stephen was also waiting outside. So by the time when Stephen and Jackson both were talking outside the jail before 3 minutes, that time Ivan did something, and as he saw, this Stephen saw that now time is going to over, so he told Ivan that another 3 minutes remaining, now finish your paper because I have to take invigilator, and he took invigilator with him. After some time, when the 3 minutes over, paper over, invigilator collected everything, and invigilator along with Stephen went outside. And when they were going outside, something unique or something different was felt to Stephen, and Stephen was little bit surprised, but he did not say anything. When he was taking invigilator outside, that time he thought that he is looking a little bit thin, and the accent, the way he is speaking, that is also looking different, but he did not say anything. So he just went outside with him and see of him outside. After that, when he came inside, he noticed something. What he noticed? He noticed in the cell, the man who was sitting inside, his head was bleeding. So totally blood was coming from the head, and he was lying there unconscious. So Stephen opened the cell and went inside and checked out. So that time he thought that Ivan again ran away from the jail, and this thing was informed to governor, and governor was very angry on Stephen and Jackson that you could not take care, and where he has gone. So he was said that he must have gone in east or he must have gone west. So then governor came inside the cell, and governor was very intelligent. So when he came inside the cell, he saw that that man was lying. Suddenly ambulance was called, and this man was also sent to hospital. Now this man also went to hospital, and when he went to the hospital, suddenly what happened? This man already sent to hospital, and Ivan was according to them, Ivan already ran away, and this man, Stuart McLean, he was unconscious and he was in blood. They were thinking so. Who? The policeman. But actually that was not true. The true was what? The man who was inside the cell was Ivan, and the man who went outside, that was the real man who was earlier, and who came in the form of invigilator. So that was already Stuart McLean. So Stuart McLean only went outside, and Ivan was still inside, and the blooded head, the man was found, that was also Ivan. So now things were okay, but they thought that Ivan ran away, and this man who is inside the cell is the invigilator Stuart McLean. So now they sent to him to the hospital, and the governor took out the answer sheet, and governor said that Ivan is very intelligent, but he made a mistake. He left the answer key here only. And when governor picked up the answer key, he found on the last page that was empty, but something was written there. And what was written? Go according to plan. Don't hit anything. No overdo, and 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. So these were some points were written. So governor understood everything that last 3 minutes were important, and that poll came before 3 minutes only. So, and these all things governor understood, and governor said that with the help of this question paper, Ivan able to run away. With the help of this paper only, we will be catching him back. So, because he noticed everything that something was given in the home, and this all information which was spoken by the man, that also he understood. So he asked the policeman. Then they thought that he must have ran in this direction, but governor thought no. Whatever we are thinking, he is not according to us. He must have gone somewhere else. And these all things was important for him. This, according to him, this was hotel name and room number. So now Ivan ran away, and he ran away towards New Bulin, and he just sat there, and in a hotel he settled himself, and he thought that now he is safe. But when governor gave a call in the hospital that is there a patient who was sent by us named Stuart McLean, so hospital man said no, there is no person named Stuart McLean in our hospital. Nobody came here today as a patient or whose head was hurt. So governor understood everything, that this was a plan. They both ran away, and now governor was very intelligent, so he went in the hotel by searching or by having this all information with him. So he went and he reached in that hotel before Ivan could reach, because Ivan was who? One who was sent to hospital. He was a real man. He was Ivan. So he went first hospital, and on the way he left that, and then he reached to hotel. And before he reached the hotel, governor was already sitting in his room. So that was very big surprise for Ivan, that I worked very hard and I just planned everything, but even before me in that hotel room, who came? Governor came. Now governor said, I understood everything whatever you planned, but you just tell me. Very politely governor said, how did you plan? That even so much strictness is there, and you were not able to meet anyone, then how could you do that? Then Ivan very politely answered, the man who was coming to teach me, he is my friend. And the man who came in the form of invigilator, he was also my friend. So all are my friends. In the outside in this city, all are my friends. They are ready to help me. And now governor said, okay, it is very good that all are your friends and you could reach here, but before you, I reach here. So Ivan was not happy this time. But still something was good. And what was that? You will be surprised to listen the end line. And Ivan was given handcuffs, and he was sent in another vehicle. And governor went in another vehicle. And these were the friends. These are the people, those were the policemen, or who came to catch him, and who came. This governor reached first. After that, some policemen came. So policemen who came in the form of policemen, they were also Ivan's friend. So governor said that just arrest him. They put a handcuff and they just make him sit in a vehicle. And governor reached to the police station in his own vehicle. And Ivan could never reach to the police station or jail, because the people who came to arrest him, they were also Ivan's friend. So in this way, fourth time also Ivan was succeed to run away from the J. So this story is given in the lesson, and I hope this story is very easy to understand by listening the summary, and I hope you are very clear with the things. So thank you very much. I hope you will be able to write the answers of all the questions whatever will be asked on the base of this lesson. So with this hope, thank you very much. Have a good day. Have a good time.